just going through a few like the stock market quotations. I have opened the site of the National Stock Exchange of India, NSE. In that, so you can see that the left hand side first is equity, Reliance symbol. Over here you can see that the prices have been provided to us. Something which I think is more important for you is this. There are two prices that you can see. Quantity, bid, ask, and that is quantity once again. Let us that is say focus on the prices 2539, 2539.25. So these two prices are indicating something like this. Suppose I want to purchase a security right now from the market, then in that case I can purchase a security at 2539.25. This is the price at which you can buy the security. How many shares I can buy? Beside that, you can see that there is quantity specified 70. So if at all I want to buy 70 equity shares of the Reliance company right now, I can purchase at the rate of 2539.25 plus brokerage. If at all I want to still further buy, then the price applicable to me will be 2539.30. Further, if at all I want to buy 2539.35, like that, say the price at which I want to buy the security will go on increasing. What is the quantity that says somebody is ready to sell is provided to us, say in the column number 4. Suppose I hold the security and I want to sell the security. Then in that case, what is the best price at which I can sell the security? 2539. How many shares? 1 share. After that, say if at all I want to sell, then in that case the best price is 2538.90, and at that price I can sell 6 stock. 2538.65, at that price I can sell 10 stock. That is the way, say you can see that say the price at which you can sell the security is provided to us. Total buy quantity which is there in the market right now is 1,09,612. Whatever there are number of trades say which are outstanding. Out of that, say the first best 5 trades are displayed to us, and the total sell quantity which is there is 4,31,039. This is what say we understand. This is the cash market. Okay. Now to understand the futures price, I am going into the derivative segment. Okay. In derivative segment, say there are 2 things that you can see. One is the option contract and another is say the futures contract. So I am writing over here stock futures, rather I am selecting. See, as what we were discussing, say there are 3 dates for which the futures contracts are available. One is 25th of November, another is 30th of December, and the last is say the 27th of January. So see, that is say going in the 25th of November, in that say the order book. Before we see the order book, you can see that say there is a term which they have provided over here, market lot, that is 250. What does that mean? It means that say you can do the transaction for 250 shares or in multiple of that only, not otherwise. The second is that say again, over here there is an order book which I think is important for you to understand. See, understand now carefully that say on 2nd of November, I am entering into the transaction for 25th of November to buy the security. Then what is the price at which I can buy the security? It is 2,551.85. For how many shares I can do? Say I can do the transaction for 250 shares. Can I do the transaction for 150 shares? It is not allowed. Can I do the transaction for 300 shares? It is not allowed. If at all I want to do the transaction for another number of shares, then in that case the price which is applicable to me is 2,551.90. And again, say there are 250 shares for which I can do the transaction. Then 2552, 2552.05 and so on. You can see that the quantity column, in that say all the quantities are in multiple of 250. Why? Because the lot size is 250. if at all I want to enter into the transaction for sale, because I am bearish, I am expecting the price of Reliance to fall, then in that case 2551 is the price at which I can sell. 2550.75 is the price at which I can sell. If at all I want to do the transaction for another 250 shares after entering into the first 250 shares. And that is the way, so you can enter into the transaction for buy and sell. So now what you have to understand is this. See, if at all I want to buy the security right now, then in that case the price that we have seen is we have seen that in the cash market the price at which you can buy the Reliance is 2539, and in futures the price is 2551. Why there is a difference of this approximately 12 rupees is because of the interest factor. That is the reason the futures price value is greater than the spot value. And importantly, what will happen, as and when the prices are changing in the spot market, with that the price in the futures market will change. This is what we understand. Now see, I am changing the expiry date. Keep in your mind 2551.85, I am taking 30th of December. In that, so you can see that 2559, the prices are further increasing. Why? Because the time period increases. Again, there are two prices that you can see. One is the price at which you can buy, another is the price at which you can sell. I am taking the next price, 27th of January. In that, so the price further increases 2569. Now, understand that, suppose today I am entering into the transaction, listen carefully, we have seen two things. One is the spot market and another is the futures market. So, on 2nd of November, we have seen that the futures contracts are available for November, for December and for January. Now whatever the futures contract for which I enter into on 2nd of November for 27th of January, let us say that the price was say something like 2569. Now what will happen, say on 27th of January, listen carefully, what will happen as far as the spot market is concerned? Spot market and say this futures market will have the same prices. Why? Because say there is no time gap. So ultimately what happens that say you are having a contract to buy the security at 2569. Suppose the price of security say reaches to 3000. Then what will happen? Say 3000 is the sale price, 2569 is the buy price, difference of that is your profit, and the transaction was entered upon for 250 shares. So difference of those two prices into 250 is the amount of the profit that will be credited to you. This is what we understand. You can observe further over here that the total buy quantity is only 8500 and total sale quantity is only 7500. The reason behind that is very simple, that say it is very difficult to forecast for the longer time period. That is the reason say the number of traders that say we have say for the later contract is very less. In comparison to that, you can see that say as far as the immediate time period is concerned, for that so the buy quantity is 1,42,750 and 6,99,750. This is what say we have. As the number of that is the securities for which the transactions that the trader want to enter upon. So this spot price will keep on fluctuating. 2539 is the spot price which will keep on fluctuating, and based on that, so the futures price will keep on fluctuating. That is what we understand. Still we have to learn further that say it will have the influence of the dividend also. What kind of influence that it will have, that we are going to understand. And for the commodity, say it is going to have further influence, say for the storage cost. What is that? So that is also what still to understand. Just a clarification that say the person who wants to sell the share, he wants to sell at 2539.25. Now what he will do, he will say, suppose say from his like the his account here he is writing 2539 in a way that say he is say ready to sell at 2539, then his transaction will match with the best person who is ready to purchase one share. So for 2539, so that is the price at which the contract will be entered upon. The transaction will be entered upon between both of them for the lower number of share, that is one share over here. So afterwards, say you will find that say the quotation in the market is 2538.90 and on the opposite side 2539. That is the way you will find the quotation. 2538.90 is the price at which a trader wants to buy 6 shares, and 2539 is the price at which somebody wants to sell 69 shares. Why 69? 70 minus 1.